Welcome to Creative World viewers. In this video, I will solve a problem of HANDA Electrical Engineering Job Test Book. Statement of the problem is, for the circuit shown below, the current I flowing through the circuit will be option A 0.5 ampere, option B 1 ampere, option C 2 ampere and option D 4 ampere. Here is the circuit and we have to calculate the value of current I. So without wasting time, let's proceed towards the solution. First we will rearrange the circuit and then we will calculate the value of I. Terminals of these two resistances are connected through this loop wire. So we can arrange the connections of these two resistances in this way. These 2 points are merged together and terminals of these two resistances are connected together through a loop. So merging this connection as well, the circuit will become in this form. The arrangement of this circuit looks like a parallel connection. So we can use parallel connection formula to calculate the equivalent resistance of this circuit, which is R equivalent equal to R divided by N, 3 divided by 3 equal to 1 ohm. Now we have total resistance of this circuit, total voltage of this circuit as well. We can calculate this current, which will be I equal to V divided by R. Voltage is 2 and resistance is 1. So the current will be 2 ampere. So the right answer is option C, 2 ampere. Thank you. See you in next video.